오, 너무 맛있다. So delicious. 好吃. Hello everybody, welcome to 밥시온 cooking channel. Today I will make this cheese egg toast. Do you know, very simple and very easy, and then looks also very delicious. I tried, it's also very nice. Our Bobby, yes, I always forgot. Bobby, yes, I will introduce our Lily. Yes. Wow, Lily is 15 years old. Yes, very nice, very beautiful. Yes, I will introduce ingredients: cheese, you know, this pizza cheese, and the egg and toast bread, and then yes, like this, very easy, and it looks also very delicious. Yes, okay. From now start I cooking. Yes, we push this one, yeah, like this, because we will put here egg. Wow, this bread. We put egg. Wow. Oh, so beautiful. Yes. And we put cheese. Yes, I forgot. Because I have to put this one like an egg. You must really be open. Yes. Nice. Yes, we put the cheese here. Yes, from now we will bake. Yes. Okay. Ready? Wow. Oh, so nice. Ready? Looks so nice. Wow, looks so delicious. Wow. Thank you.